Hello, big boy. It's Baba. How you doing, big boy? How you doing? Now today, we've got a brand new story called Wolf Won't Bite by Emily Gravitt. Wolf won't bite. Oh, let's catch a wolf. Wolf won't bite. For Maureen and John. Roll up, roll up, roll up. We have caught a wild wolf, said the three pigs. I can stand him on a stool. Ooh. I can dress him in a bow. Oh. I can ride him like a horse, but wolf won't bite. I can make him jump through hoops. Ooh. I can lift him off the ground. Ooh. I can make him dance a jig, but wolf won't bite. I can miss him every time. I can shoot him through the air. I can saw him in two, but wolf won't bite. We can even place our heads between his mighty jaws, but wolf won't bite. Oh, bad wolf. Oh, oh. Ah! Run away. Ah, poor wolf. The end. Night night, big boy. Baba loves you very much. So, sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Because Baba loves you very much. Night, night.